how much do you like make from all stores, TikTok shop and all this combined like per day on average?
20. I'm from out the gutter, middle fingers on 6. Turned 16, then I got my first stick. Man, 90, fuck the other side, catch a body, send it hit. 20, you call that shit a extended clip, we call that bitch a dick. 20, bitch, I'm mad ballin', all my diamonds mad flawless. Loud, we got mad choppers, all my niggas mad cautious. I got mad dick, turn these hoes into mad stalkers. 20, I got mad dick, turn these hoes into mad stalkers.
So I did make hella bread online. I did spoil my family. I flew my mom out, I flew my sister out. I did a bunch of cool things and I spoiled everyone, basically everyone but me. So today I just decided to go to a place that I have always wanted to go to, which is this building right there, bro. To give you guys a little backstory of this whole trip, basically late 2025 I decided that I want to move out because I was paying almost for everything that is you know, on my end, basically like my school stuff because I'm still in high school, my food, my clothes, my taxes, shit like that. The only thing that I don't take care of is like, you know, the cost of like living. Like I live with my parents, I have food in the fridge, my mom does the laundry and stuff, so I'm not fully independent. But long story short, I got fucked over on 4 apartments. I decided to like not move out. I'm just gonna every weekend or every second weekend I'm just gonna go somewhere. Obviously it has to be in Poland because I have school, but it's still a huge fucking thing, bro. I have a couple places that are in my country on my checklist, and today we're gonna scratch the first of them, the absolute banger one. But the crib that I got, bro, insane. Can't wait to see this with my own eyes, bro. This shit is too crazy, bro. Look. I start with a rolling. Nigga play on my top, they don't know me. Outside, I'm with the game with a 40. In that rope, set me up, non soulless. I'm just about to fall. This is insane. No, chory Jak ci lubię, to tak ci lubię, I can't stop smiling, man. I can't stop smiling, like you don't even realize. It's like, it's just an apartment at the end of the day. It's like nothing. I will have to leave that that place in 3 days, but the energy it gives me, the ambition that it like picks up, like it shows me what is here, bro. Imagine like waking up every single day from bed like that and see a view like that, bro. A view like that. Been talking today with a lot of people, with my mom, with 2 of my teachers, and they are all shocked and stuff because for them it's crazy. I have way more levels to reach in business, and I know that, but I also did reach a lot of them, and I really, like, I genuinely mean that I lived 10 times more than I really wanted in the first place when I was starting out, you know. I would have never think that I would be sitting in this place, even if it's rented for 3 days. I got to sit back sometimes and take a realization on the position that I am in. I'm going to be here for another 2 days. I absolutely love it. I'm about to go to the gym, eat something, and home in that jacuzzi, work, and out.
Woke up in a new car, chopper on my hip and shoot a movie like a porn star. I'm a fucking porn star. In the same don't get on my bad side, I'm dangerous. Demons and angels.
I don't know, I don't think it really was necessary if you're just kind of wait until a particular
Just know, you know, like I did a whole full film session, bro. I got one phone here.
I'm from where they hang 'em all. Throw your side up, go and bang it up. Throw your side up,
If
go
you want
and
to grab
bang
these, I'm
it
gonna
up.
leave them
Don't
in
gang
the
bang.
So currently it's 3 p.m. I woke up at 8, started working at 9, and I was just working up until this point. I have the last filming session in front of me for one of my products, and after that I'm gonna go out, eat something, go to the gym, and then I'm gonna come back. I have a call with my mentor. I will have one of my friends, Alex, come up to the crib. We're gonna work together.
What MacBook is this?
It's
M2, M3?
M4.
Have you used it already?
Yeah, I did use it. I have a crazy story. So basically, you know my parents, like how they are. Like I was supposed to call them 9 p.m. It's like 8:30. I went to the gym. I came back here. I didn't even took a shower. I hopped here, and then I was just like working. And I was like, okay, I'm gonna chill a little bit. I'm gonna lay down, and I fell asleep here, bro. I woke up at 11 p.m. My dad is like texting me. Like I had 20, you know, unanswered calls.
No, you were affiliate
Yeah.
for this supplement. Yeah.
Yes, exactly. So it's Costify's brand actually, but he has like an agency. The agency reaches out to the brand, and you can just like, you know, the black mask hair product. Yeah, I did that as well for them.
Bro,
Yeah,
maybe I haven't seen you.
yeah, maybe.
How much do you like make from all stores, TikTok shop, and all this combined, like per day on average?
I mean, you know, with e-com it varies, bro. But like I would say I don't really go down. Like in revenue, I don't go below like 1K a day.
So even today you made 1K, yes?
Yeah, around that. Yeah.
1K USD?
Yeah, but like, you know, sometimes like on the worst days like 600, maybe 700. But
Wait.
the sale that you
No.
the sales that you saw,
No.
the sales that you saw
No.
is from there.
Wait. Bro,
I have
no way it's you. I remember that I saw something. I saw you somewhere.
Alex, let me give you guys a quick backstory. So basically, I was working with him for a guy named William back in Q4 2024. We were both beginners at the time. After that, we both stopped. We didn't really work together anymore, but we stayed in contact. Like we were hitting each other up. Did spend a few hours today. I showed him the crib, then we went to the city. I bought a gift for my brother, which are those Valentino perfumes. We both inspired each other for sure. This guy, you know, in Ukraine, he's from Ukraine, there's a war out there, so bro, it's crazy. He had to go abroad to another city, found a way to make money, so he has his own online business, and then like he is really inspired by me and the position that I am in. But even though I might have been making more than him, it doesn't really matter for me. It's like, bro, just imagine having a war at home. So yeah, right now the plans for today, I have one more filming session to make for a product, so I'm gonna do this and then I'm gonna hop into the jacuzzi and make some videos, make some clips, and show you guys something that I didn't show you yesterday. So
Hey, I need some more Russians. Yeah, 5 pack. I got big rocks jumping at my brand new Patek watch. Ice, baby, I got a whole lot. Nigga, you's a nobody. You ain't got nobody. See niggas, they know about it. These niggas know about me. Step up on the scene, diamonds bling these whole screen. Check a boy, Louis V. I'm so fresh and so clean. Stuff them bands in my jeans. Slap them 30s in them things. Pull the trigger, let it sing. Then go smoke a Russian cream. I got money.
alright boys, so we left the apartment in the morning and we're doing some work at the cafe. Yeah, I'm about to get my breakfast, then Alex, we're gonna meet up later. Another beautiful day to be alive. Obviously I didn't record that, but I just gave 100 to a guy. I don't know, like he looked poor, he asked me for a little bit of money. I didn't have anything else, so I gave him 100. And this is obviously, this is literally my favorite part about it. Maybe this guy will go and then like use this money to to drink. Maybe it will actually help him. Like, I don't know what he's gonna do with that, but the feeling you get when you do such thing, when you can help someone, when people are grateful, bro. This is something that I have always wanted to do, you know. I filled my journals with those type of things that I want to like help people, and this is a small scale of helping people. And imagine, bro, what you can do for people on a bigger scale. It's a huge driver for me to go for more. I wish I could stay until tomorrow, but obviously I'm fucked. The school situation isn't the best, and I really don't want no problems there, and finally graduate and be over it.
Been calling me, don't kill the party, please. I'm up, so pardon me. She swears she wet for me. When I push up, I part the seat.
Well, she got an attitude with an ass on her, please pardon me.
I'm happy that I bought it, but it's really nothing. It just looks nice and it's just a trophy for me, just a symbol of my hard work. So alright boys, we're gonna wrap up the video in the cave. As you can see, we are back, and I just wanted to leave you guys with some thoughts of mine. So if there's anything that you can take out from this video, just listen to me for these last few minutes. 2 years ago, I ended up making a decision that was a really important one in my life. Basically, it was a decision of starting a business that led me to the position that I am in currently. That position that was once something I would call a dream. I'm 18 years old, I make my own money, I can travel while doing so, I can spoil my family, I can take care of myself, so on and so forth. And as I said earlier in the video, some things are even more than the original dream. When I was starting out, I had people tell me that this stuff doesn't work, that I shouldn't do this. I literally had people telling me that they tried the thing that I want to do, and they were telling me that it's a scam. And funny enough, I'm still in high school, I'm about to graduate, and I am probably the least worried person in my circle about my future. Everybody around me right now is stressing about the upcoming exams, about which college they're gonna go to, about what they're gonna do with their life. And for me, it's clear as fuck, bro. I know every year I'm gonna elevate in business, I'm gonna reach higher levels, and even if something happens, even if everything is gonna go down, I know I have the confidence and the skills to build something new. And does that make me better? Not at all, bro. Everybody has their own path in life. Even though I went against all the rules in the society, I did it because it felt true to myself. We are all being lied to about the life that we are supposed to live, about the school, about the college, about the 9-to-5 jobs, that we have to go down this path to live a successful, happy, fulfilled life. College, 9-to-5s, these things are not bad. If you really want to go to college and you're excited about that, go, bro. I cheer for you, bro. I'm your biggest supporter. Go for it, bro. But the reality is, usually people go to college not because they want to, it's because they think they have to. For me, I can't stand the thought, I can't see myself in college, in a normal job. I just can't, bro. And I did my best to be in a position where I don't have to. And bro, shit is so fucking crazy, bro, to live something that you literally wrote about millions of times, you spoke about to your people. It's a crazy feeling, and I wish all of you experienced that. So I just wanna end this video with you knowing that, bro, no matter what anyone says, no matter what you've been taught so far, you can do anything the fuck you want. You can literally do anything you want. Literally. So do nothing but live true to yourself, chase your dreams, try the things that you want to try, stay consistent, and you're gonna get there. It's always the same process. Even for me now, I've reached my dreams, but now I have new ones. And what I have to do to get to them, I got to keep working, stay consistent, and I'm gonna eventually get there. So if you want to be a part of my journey, hit that subscribe button, like, leave a comment, let me know what type of videos would you like to see from me. Chase your dreams, bro, and go after it.